Okay guys, on October 14, 2023, it's me Imad. So today you can see that this is my goose plant, or botanically this plant is called as the graptopetalum paraguayense, okay? So you can see that now we will try to propagate it from the leaf cutting. So we are just taking our leaves, and you are also supposed to take the lower leaves, okay, because they have tendency to fall, okay, so it's better to take the lower leaves and be sure that no part of the leaf is attached with the stem. Now we are just taking all the leaves, okay, you can easily pluck them out. Now we will take some more like this, and this, okay, this one. So we have taken our leaves, okay. Usually the success rate from the leaves are 99%. In the start, I used to consider this graptopetalum paraguayense as Echeveria pearl, but that is not the case. So you should have to keep all of these cuttings, leaf cuttings, in shade so that they will cauliflower and healed out. Okay guys, on November 10th, 2023, now you can see that after a lot of days has been passed, we got our baby plants from the leaves of the goose plant, okay, and you can see that our success rate is 100%. Soil used to fall on these leaves, so that is why I was supposed to wash them, okay, so I washed these out, okay, and due to burying they are a bit green, okay, they lost their pink shade. So now you can see that we got small plantlets with these roots, okay, so this thing and this one, and there are multiple babies, okay, there are multiple babies on a single leaf. And like this you can see how much the roots are developed properly. So now you can see these properly, how the leaves have grown these babies. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the goose plant or graptopetalum paraguayense from leaf cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.